Forget what truth in programming is. This is Python. Want to print a message? You just write print hello world. That's it. Seriously. The magic is what Python takes away. There are no confusing curly braces or semicolons. Instead, Python uses simple indentation to format all of its code. Needs to save info, age equals 30. Python figures it out like it already knows what you want to do. Want to make a decision? Use words you already know, if, like if, and else. It almost reads like plain English. You've just learned the fundamentals of Python in less time than it takes to make coffee. Python is trusted by giants like Google and NASA. It's a key part of their backend for Instagram and helps power the recommendation algorithms on Netflix. It's clean code, lets your team build faster and with fewer headaches. We aren't just talking about software engineers, data analysts, AI researchers, and automation experts. They all need Python. Now go open up an IDE and subscribe.